Four-way forecast is an integrated forecast between profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and KPIs. These statements are complemented with driver-based forecasting for added flexibility. To create a forecast, click Add Forecast. You can now name your forecast, write a description, select a start date, an interval, be that monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and an end date. By default, we are looking 3 years ahead. Say we will also look in November. And then you can choose whether you would like to have your rolling forecast on or off. A rolling forecast replaces forecasted figures with actuals as they become available and adjusts your forecast accordingly. Shall we put that on? We'll hit Next. Now you can choose a method to forecast with. So there's last period, which populates the forecast with historical data from the last period repeatedly. For example, sales for October 2021, 2022, etc. would use actuals from October 2020. And similarly, sales for Q3 2021, Q3 2022, etc. would use Q3 2020. Last value populates the forecast with historical data using the last value where data exists. For example, if the entity has data up until Jan 2020, then the forecast will populate all accounts using Jan 2020 values. Seasonality populates the forecast using the median year versus year growth rate over the past 2 years. Trend populates the forecast by using the median month versus month growth rate over the past 2 years. You'll want to look at trend if you're a newer business and seasonality if you're more established. Let's say we're looking at trend. All of these are coming soon. Going to click Save. Okay, so you can see that this has been added to all my other forecasts, and it's open here.